Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins. Welcoming you back to a new review of two brand new coins that have just recently come out. They are US quarters from the women's series that's taking place between 2022 and 2025. There are 5 coins in each series, or 5 women in each series. This year so far we have had Maya Angelou and Dr. Sally Ride. To come we have Anna May Wong and Maria Ottera Muffin. This one, however, is the third of the 5, which was Wilma Mankiller. Yeah, unusual name, but she was born on the 18th of November 1945 and she died on the 6th of April 2010. She was 84 years old. I've got these two coins side by side. We've shown you there the obverse of the coin, and this is the one that shows Wilma Mankiller on it. She's there on the left hand side. You got the information. You have a star in the actual thingy. Now, she was born in Tallahassee. That's T-A-H. Start again, Steve. She was born in Tallahassee, and that's T-A-H-E-Q-U-A-H in Oklahoma. And she rose to be chief of the Cherokee Nation. That was between the 14th of December 1985 to the 14th of August 1995. She served 2 terms as the leader of the Cherokee Nation. She was an activist and social worker for 5 years in the 70s. Going back earlier in her life, at 11, she went to live in San Francisco with her family as part of the federal government program to urbanize Native Americans. Later in the 1970s, she looked for compensation for the Pit River tribe. In 1976, she returned to the Cherokee Nation land and became the Land Economic Statistics Coordinator. She slowly rose over the next few years to become the chief. At the time, she was very good at writing grant applications. In 1998, she was awarded the highest civil honour, the Presidential Medal of Freedom. This was given to her by President Bill Clinton. She has 2 daughters. The first one was born in 1963 and is named Felicia. The second one was born in 1966 and is Gina. Now, there's a lot of information that I've just given you there. We now have some information about next year's recipients of the women's quarters. First one will be Bessie Coleman. The second one is Yavita Ida. The third lady is Edith Kanakule. That's K-A-N-A-K-A''OLE. The fourth lady is somebody that most people will recognise, Eleanor Roosevelt. And the 5th and final person for next year will be Maria Tallchief. Now, as I said, there's still 2 coins to go for this year. Do you like this coin? I think that this series is a very important series, and America has put in front of the world the latest thing that they can do for equal understanding and equal rights, maybe. Do you think this series is justified by the Americans or not? Tell me in the comments below. I actually have liked this series. I think in the first years the Dr. Solly Ride coin was the one I was looking forward to, and that was the second one that was sort of released and sold out very quickly. Now I don't know, particularly in the higher value formats or the higher metal formats, silver, gold, etc. Now, as I say, this one, the object that I was wondering about was actually a star, which is just here. Now this set of coins is, as I said, something that when I heard about it last in 2021, I thought, is it going to work over 5 years? But having seen the first 3 coins and mock-ups of what the 4th and 5th coin are going to look like, they are all slightly different, and the way that they've been designed is, I think, pretty good. I've enjoyed this series. What do you think? Can you tell me below whether you are collecting this series, or whether what I've shown you here and in the previous 2 have changed your mind about collecting this series or not? Well, that is the series for the moment. I've enjoyed, as I say, this particular one, or all 3 of them so far. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch. I am looking seriously at trying to reach 100 subscriptions by Christmas. It's now the end of August when I'm recording this, and I have 92, so I'm well on track. If you believe this video deserves it, please give me the thumbs up. And if you believe I deserve your subscription, could you please also subscribe to the channel? I would love to have you along for the rest of my Jelly 2 coins, banknotes, collectibles and militaria. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Ta-da.